dark psychological facts about life and human behavior you never knew. When you are ignored by someone you strongly care about, the reaction in your brain is similar to physical pain. People tend to remember negative experiences more vividly than their positive experiences. Your favorite song is probably your favorite because you associate it with an emotional event in your life. We tend to like things more by constantly being more exposed to them. That's why that coworker you weren't crazy about at first might grow on you. 68% of people suffer from phantom vibration syndrome. That feeling of thinking your phone is vibrating when it's not. Subtly mimicking someone's body language can build rapport and trust. When someone misses you, there are 80% chances they will appear in your dream. People tend to be happier when they are kept busy, as this prevents them from thinking about the negative things in life. It is said if you dance before leaving the house in the morning, you are likely to walk out in the real world with an optimistic perspective. The first 3 seconds you wake up, you will not remember anything. People who often help others are likely to be happier and less likely to get depressed as they get older. Study shows that living in a place with high water visibility is significantly linked to lower levels of psychological distress. Sleeping directly after studying makes you to remember what you have learned better. The longer you hide your feelings for someone, the more you fall for that person. The type of music you listen to tells a lot about the way you perceive the world. Men who kiss their wives in the morning are thought to live up to 5 years longer. Waking up just 1 hour earlier could reduce a person's risk of major depression by 23%. Study shows that people who walk fast tend to be the type of people that are intense and easily get unhappy. Human behavioral studies suggest that a person who loses their cell phone experiences a panic similar to a near-death experience. People tend to prefer the music of artists whose public personalities are similar to their own. A hug longer than 20 seconds will release chemicals into your body that make you trust the person you're hugging. When you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, looking better, and even start attracting better. Studies say that individuals who could instinctively use sarcasm to tackle a frivolous question have healthy mind. In a group setting, people tend to look at the person they feel closest to when the group laughs. People would rather change the truth than change their views about people. Friendship that started in the period between 16 and 28 years of age is more likely to be robust and long-lasting. Happiness, anger, sadness, fear, disgust, and surprise are the 6 emotions that are universally expressed.